my name is Najwa Nurahida. I'm from class 10-7. Today, I will share my procedure text about how to operate washing machine correctly. Purpose is to operate washing machine properly so that clothes are washed cleanly, safely, and efficiently. The washing machine weighs approximately 2,005 kilograms and has a washing capacity of 5 kilograms. The washing machine consists of the following component is dynamo, agitator, water inlet valve, drain motor, gearbox, capacitor, and door switch. Material or tools is washing machine, dirty clothes, laundry detergent, clean water, and electric socket. First, carefully separate clothes by color and fabric type near the washing area. Clothes that don't fade easily can be combined with white clothes. Then carefully place the dirty clothes socket in detergent into the washing machine drum. Next, add enough water and detergent according to the number of clothes to the detergent container. Next, tightly close the washing machine lid. If the washing machine doesn't spin, reduce the load of clothes, balance it, and add water. Then, plug the power cord into electrical outlet with completely dry hands. The washing machine will turn on and select the wash program according to the clothes you have loaded. Next, set the wash time to your liking and wait for the wash cycle to complete. While the machine is operating, avoid opening the lid suddenly to prevent splashing water, and avoid putting your hands to washing machine as this can cause injury. After the wash cycle is complete, drain the water and repeat washing progress until the water runs clear. Once finished, add a little water and some fragrance. It's optional. Finally, once the wash cycle is complete, transfer your clothes the laundry to be dry, and it is ready to be dry. Caring for a washing machine so that let's include not overloading it with clothes, using some fragrance, and cleaning the filter and detergent dryer regularly. Sharp twin-tub washing machine generally come with 1 year's official warranty on parts and repairs. After sales service customer include repairs by authorized Sharp Technical.